Good morning, students. Business Maths, 11th standard, second chapter Algebra. First sum, exercise 2.4, first sum. If NPR is equal to 1680 and NCR equal to 70, find N and R. Given NPR equal to 1680, NCR equal to 70. So NPR, we know that the formula n factorial divided by n minus r factorial equal to 1680. Next, so this is the equation number 1. Next, NCR equal to 70. So NCR formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial is the formula, NCR formula, that is equal to 70. This is the equation number 2. We should write 1 divided by 2. So divide n factorial divided by n minus r factorial whole divided by n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial equal to 1680 divided by 70. N factorial cancel, n minus r factorial cancel one time. Here one time, 1 divided by 1 by r factorial equal to 1010 cancel, 168 divided by 7 is 24 times. So it's a reciprocal, then r factorial equal to 24. R factorial equal to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is 24. 4 3 is 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 24 into 1 is 24. So r factorial equal to, we know that 4 factorial. R factorial equal to 4 factorial. Therefore r equal to 4. Next we should find out n value. N value we should find out, then r factorial value we should substitute from 2. Second equation we should take from 2 n factorial divided by r factorial. R is what? 4. So 4 factorial. Next n minus r factorial. R is 4. N minus 4 factorial equal to 70. So now cross multiple here. N factorial equal to 70 into 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial. N factorial we should write up to n minus 4 factorial. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial equal to, this is the same, we should write 70 into 4 factorial into n minus 4 factorial. So n minus 4 factorial is cancel. This is n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. It's a right 70 is 70 into 4 factorial is, we know that 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 equal to, its multiple, then 1680. 1680 we should change it is n minus 1, n minus 2, into n minus 3 format, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. N is 8, then its a multiple is value is 1680. So n into n minus 1, so n is 8, then n minus 1 is 7, n minus 2 is 6, n minus 3 is 5. Therefore n equal to 8. Now we should find out n and r. N equal to 8 and r equal to 4. That's all. Second sum, verify that 8c4 plus 8c3 equal to 9c4. LHS equal to 8c4 plus 8c3. We know that the formula NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial is the formula. So we should substitute this formula. 8c4 is 8 factorial divided by r is 4. So 4 factorial into 8 minus 4 factorial plus, substitute this formula, n is 8. So 8 minus r is 4, 4 factorial plus 8c3. n is 8, r is 3. So n factorial, 8 factorial divided by r factorial is 3. So 3 factorial n minus r factorial. N is what? 8 minus r is 3 factorial equal to 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 factorial plus 8 minus 4 is 4. Next 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 8 minus 3 is 5 factorial equal to 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 factorial is 4 into 3 factorial plus 8 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 into 4 factorial. Now 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial is the common, both terms take out. 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial is common, both terms. Remaining is 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 5. Take the LCM now. 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. 1 5s are 5 plus 1 4s are 4 divided by 5 4 5s are 20. Next one, LHS equal to 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial into 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 divided by 20. So 8 factorial into 9 is what? 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 3 factorial. 20 is, we should write 4 into 5. 4 into 5 is 20. So that is equal to 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 5 is 5 factorial. 3 factorial into 4 is 4 factorial. So 9 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 4 factorial. It is a formula we should make a 9c4 form. 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 5 factorial. We should arrange first is a 4 factorial, next is a 5 factorial. We should write it up. Next 9c4. This is a 9c4. Why? We should substitute NCR equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial is the formula. NCR means n is a 9, so 9 factorial. R factorial, r is a 4 factorial, r is 4. Then n minus r, n is a 9, we know that 9 minus 4 is what? 5 factorial. So apply this formula. So 9c4, it is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. Third sum, how many cards can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? Solution, a chord is obtained by joining any 2 points on a circle. One of the circle we should take a chord is any 2 points, it's make 2 points joining the circle. So total number of cards drawn through 21 points is the same as the number of ways of selecting 2 points out of 21 points. So 2 points is one card we should take. So total 21 points is we should take. Then this can be done is 21c2. 21c2 ways. Hence total number of cards 21c2 equal to, we know that the formula NCR equal to n factorial divided by n into n minus r factorial. R factorial into n minus r factorial is the formula. NCR equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. We should substitute 21c2 is 21 factorial divided by r factorial. R is what? 2. 2 factorial into n is what? 21 minus r is 2. 2 factorial equal to 21 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 21 minus 2 is 19 factorial. So we should write 21 factorial is 21 into 20 into 19 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 19 factorial. So 19 factorial is cancelled. So that is equal to 21 into 20 divided by 2 factorial is 1 and 2 into 1. 2 and 20 is 10 times, it's cancelled. So 21 into 10 is 210 divided by 1 equal to 210 ways. Total number of ways is 210 ways. That's all. Fifth sum. Out of 7 consonants and 4 vowels, how many words of 3 consonants and 2 vowels can be formed? So out of 7 consonants, 3 consonants out of 7 consonants. So total is what? 7. We should take 3. So 7c3. Next 2 vowels out of 4 can be chosen. So total is 4. Choose 2. Then 4c2 ways. So 7c3 into 4c2 ways. Thus there are 7c3 into 4c2 groups, each containing 3 consonants and 2 vowels. Since each group contains 5 letters. How many letters? Each group of 5 letters, which can be arranged among themselves in 5 factorial ways. Why? This is 3, these are 2. 3 plus 2 is 5 ways. So 5 factorial ways we should take. Hence the required number of words equal to 7C3 into 4C2 into 5 factorial ways, into 5 factorial. That is equal to, we know that the formula NCR equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial is the formula. We should substitute this formula here. N is what? 7. 7 factorial divided by r is what? 3. 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 factorial. N is what? 7 minus r is 3. So 7 minus 3 factorial into 4C2. N is 4, r is 2. So 4 factorial divided by r factorial. R is 2 factorial. Next show n minus r. N is 4 minus r is 2. 4 minus 2 factorial into 5 factorial. That is equal to 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 7 minus 3 is 4 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Now 4 factorial is cancel. Next row 7 factorial. 7 factorial is, we should write 7 into 6 into 4 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2 into 1 into 2 factorial is 2 into 1 into 5 factorial is we should write 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is a 5 factorial. So we should eliminate 3 factorial, 3 factorial is cancel. Next show 2 cancel, 2 and 4 is cancel 2 times. We should multiple this. It's a multiple 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, 6 into 5 into 4. Next one into 5 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 1. So it's a multiple, then we get 25,200 ways. 25,200 ways. That's all. This is if 4 dice are rolled, find the number of possible outcomes in which at least one die shows 2. Solution: since 4 dice are rolled, total number of possible outcomes is 6 power 4. Number of dice we know that 6. So 6 power 4. 4 dice are rolled. Next number of possible outcomes in which 2 does not appear on any dice. So 2 does not appear on any dice, then 5 power 4. Next required number of possible outcomes equal to total number of possible outcomes minus number of possible outcomes in which 2 does not appear on any dice. 2 does not appear on any dice. So total number of possible outcomes is what? 6 power 4. So 6 power 4 minus, next number of possible outcomes in which 2 does not appear on any dice is 5 power 4. So 5 power 4. So 6 power 4 minus 5 power 4. So 6 power 4 is 1296 minus 5 power 4 is 625. So 6 power 4 is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, 4 times. 5 power 4 then 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 4 times. So 6 power 4 is 1296 minus 5 power 4 is 4 value is 625. So that is equal to, subtract then, 671. That's all. Eighth sum. If a polygon has 44 diagonals, find the number of its sides. Find the number of its sides. Solution. Number of diagonals equal to 44. Number of diagonals is 44. Let the number of sides be n. So number of sides is what? N. We know that number of diagonals equal to nc2 minus n is the formula. nc2 minus n, number of diagonals, nc2 minus n. So number of diagonals equal to 44, we know that its formula is nc2 minus n. nc2, therefore nc2 minus n equal to 44. nc2 minus n equal to 44. So we should write the formula ncr equal to, what is the formula? N factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So we should substitute this formula here. nc2 means n factorial divided by r is 2, so 2 factorial into n minus r is 2 factorial minus n equal to 44. Now n factorial we should write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial into n minus 2 factorial. So n minus 2 factorial cancel, minus n equal to 44. So n, we should multiply this, n into n is n square minus n into 1 is n divided by 2 factorial value is 2 into 1 is 2 minus n equal to 44. Now cross multiply, take the LCM, n square minus n, 2 into n is minus 2n divided by 2 equal to 44. Next cross multiply here, 44 into 2 is what? 88. So n square minus n minus 2n is minus 3n. Minus 3n equal to 44 into 2 is 88. So we should take, this is the left hand side, n square minus 3n minus 88 equal to 0. Now factorize minus 88. We should multiply, then we get what is minus 88. Add then minus 3n. So minus 11 into 8. Multiply then minus 11 into 8 is what? Minus 88. Minus 88. Add then minus 11 plus 8 is minus 3. So n minus 11 into n plus 8 equal to 0. So n minus 11 equal to 0 or n plus 8 equal to 0. Next n equal to what is n equal to plus 11 or n equal to minus 8. So negative is not possible. Therefore, n equal to 11. It's a number of, find the number of its sides. The number of sides n equal to 11. So 11 sides. Ninth sum. In how many ways can a cricket team of 11 players be chosen out of a batch of 15 players? The first one is there is no restriction on the selection. Second, a particular player is always chosen. Third is a particular player is never chosen. The first one we should find out the total number of ways of selecting 11 players out of 15 is 11 players out of 15 members. So we should write 15 C11. 15 C11 we should find out. We know that one of the formula NCR equal to NC n minus R is equal. So NCR equal to NC n minus R. Both are equal. So we should use this formula here. 15C11 is 15C. N is what? 15. So 15 minus R is what? 11. 15 minus 11. So 15C. 15 minus 11 is 4. 15 minus 11 is what? 4. So 15C4 we should find out. So we know that the formula NCR equal to another one formula n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. This is another one formula. So we should substitute now. So n is 15. So 15 factorial divided by R is 4 factorial into n is 15. 15 minus R is 4, 15 minus 4 factorial. So that is equal to 15 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 15 minus 4 is 11 factorial. That is equal to 15 factorial, 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial divided by 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 11 factorial. Now 11 factorial is cancel. 2 and 12 is cancel 6 times. 3 and 15 is cancel 5 times. Next 2 table, 2 times 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Next 2 and 14 7 times. So that is equal to 5 into 7 into 13 into 3. Its value is multiple, then we get 1365. The second one, if a particular player is always chosen, then 10 players are to be selected out of the remaining 14 players. One player always chosen, so we should remaining 10 players we should choose out of 14 players. So 15 minus 1 is 14, 11 minus 1 is 10. One player is a particular player is always chosen. One player is always chosen. So then what is the required number of ways? 14 C10. 14 C10. We know that one of the formula is NCR equal to NC n minus R. This formula we should use now. 14 C, 14 minus n is 14. 14 minus 10 equal to 14 C. 14 minus 10 is C4. So we should write 14 C4. We know that the formula NCR equal to n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. So we should substitute this formula here. 14 factorial divided by n is 14. r is a 4, 4 factorial into 14 minus r is a 4, 4 factorial equal to 14 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 14 minus 4 is a 10 factorial equal to 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. So we should cancel for 10 factorial. So we should write like this: 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial is a 1 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 10 factorial. Now 10 factorial cancel. Next row 2 and 12 is cancelled 6 times. 4 2 table 2 times here 3 times 6 is 3 3 cancel. 2 and 14 is cancelled 7 times. So that is equal to 7 into 13 into 11 equal to multiple, then we get 1001. If a particular player is never chosen, then 11 players are to be selected out of the remaining 14 players. So one player is not chosen. So what is here? Out of 14 players, total number of 15 players, 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 players, we should take 11 players only. So required number of ways 14 C11. 14 C11. We know that 14 C 14 minus 11. We know that one of the formula NCR equal to N C N minus R is the formula. So 14 C 14 minus 11 is 3. So we should write 14 C3 value, we should write NCR equal to formula N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial is the formula. So we should substitute the formula here. N is 14, R is 3. So 14 factorial divided by R factorial 3 factorial into N minus R factorial. 14 minus R is 3 factorial equal to 14 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 14 minus 3 is 11 factorial. We should expand this 14 factorial is, we should write 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 factorial for eliminate 11 factorial. So divided by 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 into 11 factorial. So 11 factorial cancel. 2 and 12 is cancelled 6 times. 3 and 6 is cancelled 2 times. So we should multiple, then we get 14 into 13 into 2 equal to multiple, then 364. That's all. Sum number 10. A committee of 5 is to be formed out of 6 gents and 4 ladies. In how many ways this can be done? When first one, at least 2 ladies are included. Second is at most 2 ladies are included. The first one, the committee of 5 persons consisting of at least 2 ladies can be formed in the following ways. At least 2 ladies, minimum 2, maximum 2, 3, 4, like this. So first one, 2 ladies, minimum 2 ladies, then total is 5 persons. 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. Total is 5 persons. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So we should write out of 4 is 2, out of 6 is 3. So what is here? 4C2 into 6C3 equal to 4C2. What is the formula? We know that n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So 4 factorial divided by, it's a 2 factorial, r is a 2 factorial, 4 minus 2 is what? 2 factorial into 6c3 6 factorial divided by, r is a 3 factorial, 6 minus 3 is n minus r, so 6 minus 3 is a 3 factorial. So we should write this, simplify this. 4 factorial is a 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial is a 2 into 1, again 2 factorial is a 2 into 1, 6 factorial we should write 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So 3 factorial cancel, 3 factorial cancel. Next 2 and 4 is 2 times, again 2 cancel. So what is here? 4 into 6 into 4 into 6 into 5. So 6 5s are 30, 30 into 4 is 4 3s are 12, so 120. So its value is 120. Is the first one. Second, we should take ladies is 3 ladies. 3 plus 2 is 5. So 2 gents. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So what is, we should, out of 4 is what? 4 C3. Next 6 is into, out of 6 is 6 C2 equal to. So we should write like this, this formula we should substitute 4 factorial divided by, r is what? 3 factorial, 4 minus 3 is 1 factorial into 6c2, 6 factorial divided by, r is 2 factorial, 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial. Simplify this, value is 4 factorial divided by, 4 factorial is, we should write 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 1 factorial is what? 1 into 6 factorial we should write 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial is 1 into 2, 2 into 1, 2 into 1 into 4 factorial. Now 4 factorial cancel. Next 3 factorial cancel. 2 and 4 is cancelled 2 times. So 2 into 6 into 5. So 6 5s are 30. 30 into 2 is 60. So its value is 60. Next 4 ladies. 4 ladies. So total is what? 5. Then what is 1 gents? So 4 C4 into 6 C1 equal to, substitute the formula here. 4 C4 means, one of the formula we know that 4 minus 4 is so we should write here 4 factorial divided by, r is what? 4, so 4 factorial. Next n minus r is 4 minus 4 is 0 factorial into 6c1, 6 factorial divided by 1 factorial, 6 minus 1 is 5 factorial, n minus r. So its value is 4 factorial is 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial, 0 factorial value is 1, 0 factorial value is 1, 0 factorial equal to 1 into 6 factorial we should write 6 into 5 factorial divided by 1 factorial is 1, 5 factorial, 5 factorial cancel, 4 factorial cancel, 1 into 1, 1, 6 by 1 is 6. So its value is 6. So we should total number of ways of forming the community equal to, the first one is what? 120 plus 60 plus 6 equal to 186. And then 186. A committee of 5 persons consisting of at most 2 ladies can be formed in the following ways. So ladies total is 4. We should take the first one. At most means maximum 2 ladies. Minimum 0 we should take 0. 5 persons, total is 5 persons. So here 0, then 0 plus 5 is 5. So we should write what is 4C0 into 6C5 equal to 4C0. We know that value is 1. 1 into 6C5 is 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial. 6 minus 5 is 1 factorial. So we should write 6 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 1 is equal to 6 factorial. We should write 6 into 5 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 1. So 5 factorial cancel. 6 divided by 1 is 6. So its value is 6. Next, one lady plus 4 gents. So 4C1 into 6C4. Substitute the formula here. 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial. 4 minus 1 is 3 factorial into 6C4 is 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial. 6 minus 4 is 2 factorial equal to, so we should write 4 factorial is 4 into 3 factorial divided by 1 factorial is 1 into 3 factorial into 6 factorial is we should write 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial is 2 into 1. So 4 factorial cancel. 3 factorial cancel. 2 and 4 is cancelled 2 times. So 2 into 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 30 into 2 is 60. So its value is 60. Next, 2 ladies. Maximum is what? 2 ladies. How many gents are? 2 plus 3 is 5. So 3 gents. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 persons. So we should write out of 4C2 into 6C3. C3 equal to, substitute the formula 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 4 minus 2 is 2 factorial into 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial. 6 minus 3 is 3 factorial. So we should write this result. 4 factorial is, we should write 4 into 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial is, we should write 2 into 1. Again 2 factorial, 2 into 1 into 6 factorial is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So one 3 factorial is cancelled, another one 3 factorial is cancelled. 2 is 2 times again 2 cancel. So what is 4 into 6 into 5. 6 5s are 30. 30 into 4 is 120. So that is equal to 120. The total number of ways of forming the committee equal to, what is 6 plus 60 plus 120 equal to total is 186. That's all.